Hello friends, today we will discuss why time in the market beats timing the market. Time in the market means you are staying invested for a long term, while timing the market involves predicting every market ups and downs and invest accordingly. Today I will tell you why time in the market typically yields you better results than timing the market. Compounding works over time. The more your money stays invested in the market, it will get more benefit from compounding. It will get return on your principal amount as well as the return it generates. For example, rupees 1 lakh invested at a 15% CAGR grows to 4 lakh in the 10 years. But for the next 10 years, it will grow to more than 16 lakhs. It is called the power of compounding. Timing the market is nearly impossible. Predicting short-term market movements is extremely difficult even for the experts. Missing some of the few best performing days will drastically eliminate your returns. All of us are mostly busy with our daily activities, so it would be difficult for us to have that daily watch on the market and take out the decisions. Volatility smooths over time. In short term, markets may be volatile, but in long term, it tends to rise with economic growth. So, staying invested eliminates your temporary dips and you will get more money in long term. Emotional decision can hurt. Trying to time the market often leads to emotional decision, like buying the shares when the prices are high due to fear of missing out and selling when the prices are low due to panic. So, staying invested for the long term eliminates the stress of constant decision making. Opportunity cost of being out of the market. Sitting on the sideline and waiting for the right time means your money is not working for you. However, during downturns, dividends and compounding continues for long-term investors. Looking at the Sensex journey when it was launched in 1979 with a base value of 100. Now in the early 2025 it is trading in the range of 78 to 80,000. This represents a CAGR of somewhere between 15% to 16% over 45 years of time span. This too by doing nothing. Pro investment mantra. Stick to a systematic investment plan. Invest regularly with SIP. This eliminates timing the market. You will get more units when the prices are down and fewer when the market is up. Time in the market maximizes your return and minimize the stress, while timing the market often leads to missed opportunities. So be that lambi race ka ghoda who always eliminates markets ups and downs and runs until it achieves its goal. Thank you for watching.